Indian stock markets went into free fall on Monday, plunging nearly 5% as nervous investors reacted to a deepening global trade war sparked by the United States' sweeping tariff hikes. The Sensex tanked 3,914 points or 5.19% to open at 71,449.94, while the Nifty 50 followed suit, slumping 5% or 1,146 points to start the day at 21,758.4. This marks the steepest single-day drop in Indian equities in nearly 10 months. The last time markets witnessed such a bloodbath was back on the 4th of June last year, following the Lok Sabha election results, when both indices crashed by more than 5.7%. The sharp sell-off was triggered by fears of a global trade war spiraling out of control. Last week, US President Donald Trump announced a fresh wave of reciprocal tariffs targeting several key trading partners, including India. The move slapped a 26% hike on Indian exports to the United States, along with a baseline 10% tariff on all imports entering the country, effective the 5th of April. China quickly hit back on Friday, announcing retaliatory tariffs that matched the United States' new 34% rate, escalating tensions even further. The panic wasn't limited to India. Across Asia, markets were deep in the red. Hong Kong's Hang Seng crashed 10.45%, China's Shanghai Composite fell 6.34%, Japan's Nikkei 225 dropped 6.6%, and South Korea's Kospi Index declined by 4.83%. Back home, the carnage was across the board. Broader market indices were hammered. The Nifty Small Cap 100 plunged 5.42% and the Mid Cap 100 index lost 4.34%. Similarly, sectoral indices weren't spared either. Nifty Metal nosedived 6.98%, oil and gas fell 5.1%, IT dropped 5.93%, and auto declined by 4.6%. Among the hardest hit stocks on the NSE were Tata Steel, down 10%, Tata Motors, minus 8.31%, Hindalco Industries, minus 7.23%, Infosys down by 7.1%, and Tech Mahindra, minus 6.77%. In response to the escalating trade tension, the Indian government is now scrambling to fast-track a trade agreement with the United States in hopes of avoiding the brunt of the tariff blow. According to sources, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry is strengthening its NAFTA division, which is a wing responsible for handling bilateral trade with the United States, Canada, and Mexico. A speedy trade deal is seen as crucial for India. Other countries facing steep tariffs, like Vietnam and Cambodia, have already signaled willingness to negotiate tariff cuts on US goods. Washington is reportedly in active talks with multiple nations, raising pressure on India to act quickly. As the trade war escalates and global markets reel, all eyes are now on New Delhi's next move. For more details on Indian stock markets and the impact of Trump's reciprocal tariffs, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express.